Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how ice cream is made in bulk, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Check the seals on the flavor drums and cross-reference the manifest.
Roger that. Everything seems to be in order here.
The key to our velvety texture is the precise blending of milk, cream, and stabilizers into a smooth, consistent mixture.
All parameters look optimal on this panel.
Confirmed. The viscosity levels are normalized.
The mixture is churned and frozen to create a smooth, creamy texture.
Every batch is inspected for quality before distribution.
And that's how ice cream is made in bulk, from start to finish.